buckler. What on, peeps?
Well,
Today up on the podcast about to talk about a couple things. You understand?
yes.
The one loss.
Welcome to the first podcast, as DK aka Chop Chop call it, broadcast.
Broadcast.
Lost
Podcast.
launch. You understand?
You know where going.
Whole bar vibes,
Yeah, man.
which is right. Yeah, man.
Real, man.
He's drinking Hennessy. I'm having a glass of red wine.
Clot, road wave hit. Pussy clot. How pussy that? Road wave hit. Let's see who pussy. Blood clot. Mama. Hey.
I Bible character.
Yeah, give her history, you know. The blood clot.
Hold on.
Hey.
The girl is a Bible character.
Yo. I tell you about the girl, you know. This bumbo clot girl have a man one day, you know. Pull up on the ends, you know. Pull up on the ends, the girl have a man to pussy. Cause I tell you, woman wicked. Pull up on the ends and this a man have a virgin. See? What go on? And stay so boom. And did it and show me.
My story, man, yo. Let me tell the story, brother. Let me tell the fucking story. They at a spot.
Yo.
The young lady workplace. I don't know why we were there, but we were there. And I see a car pull up, and the young lady, she's a Bible character. Her name is a Bible character. Evil woman in the Bible. Anyways, the car pull up, and she come out and she talk to one guy, and the man off baby. No, the guy, yeah.
They talk to him baby father.
Yeah.
Cut it straight. They gotta talk to guy. They talk to baby father.
Our baby father pull up our workplace. Yeah, that's how it went.
Yes,
yeah.
Woman wicked.
Baby father pull up our workplace, and she come out our workplace and meet him, and them talk and hug up, and the girl kiss her man, suck out tongue and everything, and say I love you. And as soon as you drive off, this man a drive in the parking lot, and she jump in her car right in front of me. I say like,
hey, bullet. Hey, me telling you, man.
And what she said to you? Because me, I'm looking at her.
Hey,
she's looking at me.
First thing she up in her car, you know, she say, your friend call you. Me say, which friend? Your friend in the silver one. Me say, I want the blood clot, yes. Me say, what happened? He said, your friend just smell me baby. Me say, where I say? The same time they call me right now and tell me, say, yo.
Girl, the evil.
You just see the girl in there baby father. Me say, where I say? And she in my car.
Yo, me have trust issues. I've always had trust issues, but
I always had trust issues, brother.
That day, you say, oh, the girl love it with her baby father, like hug him up and kiss him up, and him tell her obviously I love you, and she say I love you back. And as soon as you drive off, and this man just drive in, and she just hop in the car, and
brother,
them girl don't even do their thing.
Brother, the way the girl do the thing when I time, I feel like me and nearly crash in a bum buckle or Dutch pot to pussy.
Yo, next evil one, dude. Y'all get bun. You wait until you start get bun.
Yo. Probably get you already, you know, but me not give a fuck. Got you know?
What going on?
Sometime in our life, you know, we have to get bun for you understand ourselves.
Well,
understand?
Yes, sir. Right.
Some of we if we don't get bun, we not gonna understand. I know the value of woman. You understand?